President of Shiv Sena, Manipur Pradesh, Moirangthim Tombi, has criticized BJP and Congress for engaging in political gambit and petty exchange of verbal attacks when the state still continues to suffer due to the unrest. M. Tombi was speaking to media persons at its office today. Speaking further, Tombi accused political parties of engaging in political drama instead of working for the welfare of the common people. While affirming Shiv Sena's commitment towards common people's interests, M. Tombi informed that Shiv Sena Manipur will field over 30 candidates in the upcoming state assembly election. He also asserted that if elected, the MLAs and ministers of Shiv Sena party will commit towards development and social service.
Manipur Kaktanatana, India Tongan ba Mapam Krada, although particularly Manipur se, Congress na Kangem Hum Yawurabani, Kangem Hum the Kanana Honavada, Akoi, Nashi, Akoi Wari Base, Congress na Tamamba, Kangem Hum Yonaputomba, Akoi Haksang do, Kanana Honavani, Aduga, Akoi Rani Yamna Oiba, Pawar Igarda, Drama to Wigano, Natak to Wigano. Aduna Maduna Maram Orkanda Prajade and why.